All right, we're live. Good morning. I have two cats right now entertaining me, so I'm sure you'll hear a bit of that. They're really stoked right now. Marked out some levels last night. I cleaned up my charts a bit, realized maybe I was looking at too many things. We kind of have this channel that we're in around 437.2 to around like 432 with a little intermediate level at 431. And then obviously a level at 430. So some of these I've been watching. And then I also drew some just like zones, not necessarily levels, but zones, one of them being here. We've come down and bounced off that pre-market, so that's kind of cool to see. We have another one down here that kind of coincides with that 425 level. Then we have the larger time frame trends. That's kind of what I'm watching. The areas, the levels. I think if we can break back above 432, we can see a bullish move up, at least to like 430. I'd say at least 433, if not like towards 434. If we reject here, I think if we break below 430, that's pretty bearish. Could see easily move back down into this zone, and then potentially test that trend line depending, what we do. We do have some news today, though. I'm gonna throw that up. I'm gonna hop into the chat. See if anybody joins. One second. I'm gonna pull up the news for today. I guess I could throw on this as well. All right, sweet. Oops. What's up, Mike?
What's going on, man?
Not too much. Just getting ready for the day.
Another day. Hopefully we got some quick moves in the morning.
Yeah, we got some news coming out, so I don't know if we will. I mean, we have Jerome Powell speaking at noon.
Ooh.
So I think a lot of people, there's going to be a lot of volatility then, though. 12 Eastern.
Definitely have to stay until then.
All right. Yeah, I think the U.S. leading economic indicators at 10, we could probably get some volatility out of that, I'd imagine. But right after that is or I guess 2 hours, Jerome Powell, and that's going to be like the main thing today for sure. Which I'll probably be at work. Maybe I'll just have the chart pulled up just to see, but that's not tempt me to trade. I know it is.
Go to the bathroom at 12.
Shit, I think I have a meeting at 12.
Oh.
Yeah. That's just more stress than it's worth. Trading at work is like...
Yesterday on my phone, but like when we were out at lunch, and I was like, this is too much.
Yeah, dude. If you're trying to pay attention to multiple things, like, it's better just to have that dedicated time. But
Well, that's what messed me up yesterday is because like I used to have 2 monitors, and then Like one of them's a work one, so I'm just gonna put it away because they're gonna ask for it back eventually, no matter what.
Yeah.
So I was trading on one, but like I always get my contracts ready to sell, so I can just hit the button immediately. I got
Yeah,
it set
yeah.
on my hotkeys, but like when I have that set up, I can't watch the chart, so I'm just watching where I'm at profit-wise on the left under watch list.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Stressful ever.
Yeah, so you're just watching your profit just go up and down and having no idea what it's doing.
Got a new monitor, so we'll try this. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I like separating like the profit, like the monitoring tab, and then the options chart. So I totally like what do I call it? Let's see. Yeah, you detach it, so it's on a totally separate monitor.
Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, mine's all on the same, so it would be nice to have another. I have another monitor.
You can see them all, or is it?
What's that?
Do you still detach them like all in one monitor, or you have to go to like the
No, I have like the flexible grid view or whatever. So I have like 3 charts, and then so I have like 4 squares. 3 of them are charts,
Okay.
and then one of them is like my options contract, whatever I'm like trading.
Got it. Okay. I want to play with stuff and see what looks the best.
This is I like this setup because I have the 5 minute, the 2 minute, the 1 hour, all in the same chart, and then I have an options like I guess selector or whatever, where I can pull up whatever option I want. But it's nice because I don't have to like take my eyes off the chart when I'm also like entering or exiting options. I can just like watch it and it's all, I don't know, it's kind of nice for me to have it all there.
Because how'd you pull up the options thing under one of those squares?
Do you have like a little sidebar that has a bunch of buttons on it? Like in L2, if you pull up AT, are you on the active trader tab?
Yep, I see active trader. Let me pull this up here.
If you click that, if you just have active trader and chart, so C and AT, just click those 2 and that's it. And then you can kind of customize it. There's a little settings like wheel, and you can configure what you have up there. But that's how I get my options contract there. And then if you, in the upper left corner of like the active trader thing, there's like a little drop down. And you should have an options tab under there, and then you can just search for whatever stock you want and it pulls up all the options for like different expirations.
Mess with that. Yeah, because I liked how the one looks on like under the trade tab. Like when you go to the actual trade tab up top and
Yep.
the option, that's the one I like to pull up.
Trade options.
So you go to trade and then you can type in like SPY or whatever.
Okay, I see.
Put like 10 strikes or whatever.
Gotcha.
I feel like it's just easier to read.
No, that's fair. Yeah, it gives you a bit more. It looks like it gives you a bit more like visibility into applied volatility and stuff too. That's cool.
Yeah, yeah.
Up guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Samrise. How you doing?
Pretty good, how are you guys?
Doing well. Yo, I have to say I was inspired by your chart you posted last night. It's really clean. I like it.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I do have work today, so I'm just gonna be on for like an hour, 30 minutes.
Sounds good.
Ooh, Jerome Powell is speaking today. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh wow, Tesla just went down.
They had their earnings yesterday or last night.
Nice. Wow.
I guess Elon just like came out and didn't sound very encouraging.
It's not.
And then they missed all their estimates, so they just they tanked.
Europe, close 2 hours. This 431 level is just needs to be cleared.
Rejected right off that pre-market high.
Yep.
Yeah, it's looking pretty solid on the 2-minute for a move down. I have a level right at like 431.13. It came up, rejected off the pre-market high, tested that 431.3 or like 13 and rejected off that. I don't know if I'll take anything, but
Oh, look at Amazon. It's going quick. What? It's going up.
I don't have it on my list. Let's see.
What the heck? Oh wow.
Move down. 31.
Good.
What's up, Yvonne?
Yo.
Yo,
So man.
oh, I missed this.
Ooh, that move down to 430 is looking juicy. Dang, I usually don't trade the opening candle, but I saw that. I was like, that's a really nice setup for a move down.
You take it?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, I usually wait at least a few minutes, but that's a nice move. It's not go right to 430.
Yeah, I was sending some messages. I missed that 2:30 entering in Tesla.
Oh man.
Nice. Like just closing the gap from last night. Let's see.
From yesterday's close, you're saying? Same rise?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, pretty much exactly. Good shit.
Yeah, QQQ is holding this level. For now.
Okay.
Yep. You have that flag break on QQQ.
You? Oh, yep. Yep.
We're still gonna be going down, staying under that trend line from 2 days ago.
Let's see if we can get down to 430. See what happens there. That's a support level.
Yeah, if it gets below 430, I like that.
QQ just closed the gap from last night.
Just already acting good. Oh,
Are you on a position, Evan?
no, not yet. I missed that Tesla and I'm waiting now. Something.
Nice.
Yeah, that would be Tesla.
Patient is real. It's looking weak though, honestly. Wow.
You're in something, Warp?
Not yet. Looking at 430 at SPY. Go below 430.
There's also like
Yeah.
a bit of a trend line from the pre-market low up until where we are on SPY. If we broke out of that and broke below 430, that's pretty solid.
Solid. And it's under the VWAP of mine too. That's looking like a bear flag. Just imagine it. Better. Hmm. Yeah. Looks really good, honestly.
What's up, dudes?
How's it going, Josh?
Yeah, hello, man.
Oops. QQ is rejecting 363. Really good. $63.22 or just 50, honestly.
Yeah, not anymore.
Yeah, 431 at SPY. Four 431. Oh, Nvidia's going up. Pre-market high. Oh.
Samrise, do you trade those individual stocks or do you watch them in relation to SPY?
I just watched them. See
Got
if
you.
they're bullish on tech.
Goodness, dude.
Yeah, we're kind of reversing now.
Does
Fine,
anybody
it's
else
late,
trade
but,
off the ORB?
I do not.
no, no.
I
Got a nice retest at the bottom, though, I see.
I'm gonna take one. Small call. One. Maybe a retest.
Did you say cold?
Yeah, I did call and SPY. Just small. It's really small.
I mean, we can reject that 431. Yeah.
431. We're holding 430 real good right now. I'm just gonna see you. Do feel calm.
Good luck.
Thank you. Yeah, this one just is really small, honestly.
Kind of in a big flag, too, like on the 5 minute or 2 minute. If you look at from like the pre-market high.
30. Okay.
I mean, if we break out of that, then. But yeah, I don't know.
I'm just waiting to break off to 430 or 431 to see what happens.
Yep.
And we have some news in 4, so
What's,
that's
kind of like starts in the morning. What's coming out in 4 minutes?
I posted it in the
Gosh,
announcement.
God.
home sales. It can move the market sometimes. So
And the U.S. leading indicators as well.
Yeah.
Good call. I didn't realize how close that was.
yeah, I saw it a few times, driving the market crazy.
Mm.
And Powell is speaking today.
Yep.
At 9.
It's 12 Eastern, so yeah, 9 your time.
Can you calculate it in my time, please?
I have no idea what that time zone is.
Oh man, wait.
Here.
If we break out of this opening range, by the way, I do see I did have a support zone drawn from a few weeks ago. But I mean, since we've been pretty bullish for the past like week or so, I got a zone drawn from 427.7 to 428.6. I mean, we blew through that like some point last week, 2 weeks ago maybe. Yeah, on the 9th, or I'm sorry, the 8th. No, dang it, 6th. And,
Evan, it is 6 p.m. your time. I did the conversion. Sorry, Josh.
I'm cool with that. Oh,
Thank you.
yeah. So we went through that, and then we came back down overnight and touched through it again on the 9th. But I have that zone drawn, so if we do go bearish today, I could see us coming down to that, and maybe rejecting off of it.
I do have a similar zone around like 428.6.
Yep.
Yeah. But I'd also look at yesterday's low too, right around that like 429. We bounced pretty heavily off that. That'd definitely be something to clear.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, so those are going to be probably. I mean, if we do go bearish, I could see it getting real choppy, probably around there. You think?
I mean, maybe. But I mean, still 430 to 429 is a decent move. But yeah, we'll see. Samrise, are you holding through the news on your call?
Yeah, I am. Just it's really small though, honestly.
Nafi?
Like it's really small. It's only 15 contracts.
I'm trading SPX.
I wish.
I'm 10k deep right now.
I'm sure Jay Dunn's already made $10,000 today.
Dude, he makes it in the pre-market before market's even open, dude.
Do you guys try SPX or?
I never have. How about yourself?
Mm-mm. I always want to try it though, one day.
When we're whales.
Yeah, right now we're shrimp.
I'm a little scallop, maybe. A little fucking barnacle.
Article. What do you want?
Yeah, the numbers are in the expectations, so nothing crazy. You should use this one. You have news immediately.
Oh, nice. Oh, yep.
All
Does
right.
anyone have any positions in right now?
I'm in call. Just a small. I'm up right now, but just
Yeah,
I mean, if we,
we had problems with some real-time data, so I send you.
yeah, thank you. I appreciate that.
thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, we're breaking out of this little flag right here. I could see I moved back up to 431 easy. I mean, it's on its way.
Yeah, SPY's looking like it wants to break that 431 again. Oh,
Yeah, maybe I should just,
See what
yeah, I should hold up on that.
Yeah, he just I'll just wait honestly, but I just took it. It's a
It's
really small
still
one.
still chopping around, so no trade for me.
We're above 430,
By the way,
125.
does
I'll be
everyone
okay.
typically do 0 DTE?
What's that?
Yeah, I do.
I do as well.
0 DTE.
I used to do one DT, but I went full in.
Might be it. Boom.
Ooh, right at that 430.
Hey. Open the next candle right now.
Yeah, holding it strong for now. It's like 50-cent move in seconds.
Yeah. And hold this. Hold the defense. No.
Come on, buy. What are you doing? Get in there.
Everyone buy right now.
Somebody, get your credit card.
Yeah, I think there is a still nice move if you break any of these levels. Let's see who wins.
Yeah, I don't like that candle. Damn. Let's see though.
We're still sitting at that, like right at that hourly trend line. I mean, we're
I'll have to get out soon.
I think I'm more to the upside than downside, but we'll see.
4:30. Let's get out. EQQ is holding 363.50. I like that.
This price action is crazy though. Just stuck in this range. What is it with SPY in the mornings just doing this? Like that's the past like week, or at least it's been just choppy in the morning.
It's shit in the morning.
Maybe it's just they're just waiting on Jerome.
When's he speaking?
Answered, yeah.
In 2 hours.
Be waiting.
2 hours from now. I find like mornings of stuff like that can be kind of like low volume, tricky to trade.
Could be. Sometimes when before Powell speaks, like it goes bullish and then goes bearish, or it goes bearish and then go bullish.
Like the fake out.
Yeah, like people.
Fade the initial move.
QQQ is
Yeah, once he
breaking
speaks,
the
it's
short-term trend line.
Oh,
ardent. 430, 7.75.
it's testing the top of that flag. It's just, yeah. It's just stuck.
So yeah, stuck. Yep. Let's see what's Amazon doing.
Oh,
And back again.
I just posted in the
So,
trade chat. My chart is just stuck in that range heavy. It's like between a trend line and a flag. Oh, it just broke out as I was saying that.
yep. It,
That's funny. But yeah, I'd need to see it clear 430 before I even considered taking puts. It bounced off that real nice earlier.
I bought some puts. I actually bought some puts on the last candle when that huge red one broke through the ORB. So
I'm just concerned we keep chopping until we get below 430. I don't know though. We'll see.
I want to see a retest of 430 and bounce. Let's see. Or just break through.
They could.
Oh,
There's the retest.
yeah. Yep.
Yeah, if you break this with your volume, we can have some nice moving to the downside. Yeah, but still no. Volume.
okay, so buyers are present. We know that buyers are present at 430. So
Yeah, but if you
for
break it,
for you guys, it would have been do what?
a lot of stop losses if you break that 430.
Retesting that trend line.
Yeah, 50 cents again in a second.
It's wild out here.
Yeah, I don't know about this.
wanna
These
see
mornings
my
have been
VWAP.
so tricky.
Yeah, Nvidia is breaking to the upside.
Testing my VWAP again for the third time. Oh, it's breaking through the
Holy
VWAP.
shit.
Yep.
Can we hold the VWAP though? That's one thing.
No, that hole was.
So I'm so yeah. Still ready to sell it. Let's see.
You're like almost
just need a
break
nice-
even, or
Yeah, I just need one nice candle.
Are you still in that single call?
Oh yeah, I am. I was following my plan. My stop loss under 430.
That's fair.
is it
Looking
break
up
even or?
at least
But-
430.
You and Josh are in a duel right now. The opposing sides.
At this point,
No.
dude, I just wanted to come back down and test
Hey.
430 because I want to sell these puts, dude. I'm not liking this choppiness.
Yeah, I would say puts below 430, but that seems to be holding.
I might even play the breakout when we weigh this much. I like it.
Apple might want to test high yesterday. Let's see. Like Spy got a nice pullback though.
QQQ is very strong.
Above 430.75 and a strong close. I like it. Good to,
Yeah,
to the
shoot.
upside. Looking at 3065.31 on QQQ resistance. You break that, then I'm gonna hold my call.
Maybe this was
432, easy. Could be.
Yeah, if it gets above 432, I could see it moving pretty high. But then it's back into that range that we were in for like an entire week. Between like 432.5 and 437. I don't know.
yeah, 432.
QQ is rejecting 365.
Just touch 431. Samurais, are you still in this?
For a break.
Yeah, you're still in this.
Yeah, yeah. I'm looking at 431.35 or 37 break. I'm just checking QQ to break 360, 365, 135. If he breaks, I'm still holding it.
Yep, I'm out.
The level at I don't know, we're touching a level right at 431.12 that I have. We got that reject. Holy shit.
Reject. Testing my VWAP. What's Amazon doing? Let's see. Oh shit. The resistance. That's not doing. The resistance too. Okay, everyone's at the resistance. Damn.
Do you chart those all out like pre-market or the night before, Samurai? Chart like the individual names and then just watch them.
No, I just chart SPY. I just look at the 15-minute on Apple, Amazon,
Gotcha.
and then looking at the resistance from yesterday or the other days. Yeah, Amazon's a resistance. AMD. Yep, AMD too. Apple also. Meta. Yeah, everyone's at resistance, so this could be. Let's see. If we break that, then yeah. Just rejecting it. Have to sell this. Let's see.
Jesus. Rejection right back down to 430.
Crazy.
Everyone's at resistance right now, that's why.
I'm gonna start putting calls and puts in.
When we're in this range, we'll probably bounce from here.
Yeah.
That's funny.
And we're going all the way back up?
Yeah, probably. But we are in that nice range between 431.12 and 430. That's like, I don't know. I see a break out of that.
Yeah.
A break and hold below one of those levels or above one of those levels. We have the pre-market high too, I suppose. But
Bounced right off 430.
sitting.
A little bit under. 99.
Could be fake and then bounce. We'll see. Just gonna follow my plan, honestly.
Here we go.
Oh my god.
Dude, I guess it's just range scalping at this point. It's almost too easy, but it's like not.
Consolidating.
Could have made 15 moves today already and been done.
Yeah, dude. Jadon made 16.
Oh, I'm sure. Oh, yeah, he
I'm joking. I'm joking.
perfectly threw it out like that. Give me the W's.
Just go on the 2 minute and you're like, I caught the top and bottom of every 2 minute candle. Calls at the bottom.
Time to hit the gym.
Yeah. Lambo. No, I'm gonna take the humble Honda on a Thursday.
Nah. We'll be there one day, dude.
But yeah, that's what I'm trying to get to.
Mike, I know you. I know you'll be flexing Rolexes and posting gym selfies. You're gonna be hit.
I'm way too cheap. I ain't buying no fucking Rolex.
You'll be hitting 10K days and flexing the freaking. I don't
I
know.
mean, like a '69 Camaro, probably
Oh, okay.
cammed out twin turbo, but
Oh,
no Rollies for me.
Oh, I have to say, I watched a video on the fair value gap, so I finally understand what you're talking about.
Yeah, it's not. I mean, if you like go back and kind of look at them, the hard part is like, unless it continues to be a huge move, you're probably going to be a little late.
How do you trade it? Because that's what I understand what it is now, but I don't understand like what actionable thing you're supposed to like take off that.
So so it's Brandon, the one I watch. So he's really just going. It's always off the 5 minute. I believe is all he does. He doesn't go anything lower. Let me see if I can go back here. If I can draw one out.
It's a 3-candle setup.
Yeah.
um,
But like, what do you
and
do with that information? Are you expecting that like gap to fill, or like what? That's what I'm wondering.
if it fills the gap, then it's going. It might be a major pullback or a rejection.
Hmm.
If it doesn't, like you'll draw a zone between. So candle 1 at the bottom wick,
Yeah.
you'll draw a line, and then the zone goes down to the top of the wick of the 3rd candle. In that zone, if price does not pull back up and go right through the top line, then typically it's not a strong pullback, and it'll just continue to the downside if you're in puts,
Gotcha.
right? And then opposite on the reverse for an uptrend.
Let me see. I'm gonna chart one out here.
You got 364 in QQQ.
Still sitting right at 430, huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so
Break
yesterday you
430.
had one in the beginning of that pump.
I'll take a
Oh,
little
I'm
look.
sorry, 2 days ago. Let me see. Wednesday. So you would have been on Tuesday.
Oh yeah, yeah, huge one,
You
huh?
see, yeah, so see that the 3rd. Let's see. Right before that big wick up.
Got a break of
you'll
430.
use-
Sorry.
Yeah, so you'll use this first
Don't do it.
candle. Let me draw it out here. Let me do this.
More
This
loss.
will be easier.
I got one put. When you got that.
I didn't fail. Okay, I'm just gonna hold it there until we bounce, maybe. I didn't fail.
Don't mind me, boys. I'm stress eating right now.
Are you in another position, Josh?
Dude, actually, I didn't sell those puts because right when I was about to is when we had that huge reversal on that red candle at
Oh,
at
okay.
10:15. Like I was literally about to press the button. I was literally about to hit the button, and I saw that huge drop. I was like, okay, I'll just wait for a second then.
That could have just been a sweep below 430 to collect everybody's stop loss. We're going right back to 431. I don't know, but it was
I did sell though.
that
I did just sell just now.
that hold of 430, and we'll see.
I pretty much broke even. I lost like $10, but I was like, I sold it as soon as I climbed back up. I may just doing my boy Sam and getting calls, so we can be on the same team here.
Ryan, it's saying I can't send messages to you.
Really?
You blocked me? Let me put that. Yeah. Yeah, weird. Let me put it in the chat. Yeah, so with those 3 candles, on the outside candles, whatever those wicks are covering in the middle candle, the fair value gap will be in between those. So I think it's really just saying it's a pretty strong continuation of the trend, is how he looks at it.
Okay.
Like that first candle, the wick kind of goes
Yeah.
a quarter up the middle candle, and then the top wick, or the bottom wick on that 3rd candle doesn't really do much, but it's in between those. But I mean, as you can see on that one, it still rose another, what? Where were we at? So I mean, even if you got on the top of that, the 3rd candle, you went from 434 to 438.
Solid.
We can do that every day. We'd be all right.
Yeah, I'm not trying to continue to harp on the dude, but it's. Did you see the team bullshit yesterday? Because they literally did say like we caught calls at the bottom and puts at the top. It was
every
like,
day.
of course, dude. It's so funny.
Every day.
It's like that's amazing. 100%
Crammed,
accuracy.
but yeah, it's just funny. It's every day.
I'll be right back.
I don't understand how a day like because I saw like there were other people that were saying they're like, yeah, today was a huge moneymaker day. I'm like, how, Sway? How was yesterday a moneymaker day for anyone? There was like it was literally choppy for like the first hour and a half. Like, what are we talking about right now?
Whoa.
Mike, are you in a position right now?
No, I might get a put here in a second.
Yeah, I'm thinking so too. I mean, we're just continuing down.
Broke the trend line from the bottom of the pre-market, so.
Yeah, finally. Let's go down.
Yeah, there's 3.5 on PQQ.
Woo!
Let's fucking go.
Nice. Go, Evan.
Let's
I
go.
think that's right. Nice move down.
I'm probably selling the first one in the low of the day yesterday. That's 429.09.
Nice.
That.
Although QQQ will reach 363 before that, so I'll see. Oh my god.
This is crazy.
It's the 3 went down, yep.
I was expecting a little bit more of like a retest or something with 430 with how long it was holding. But once it broke, it went.
Fuck the retest.
Goes.
Got yesterday's low day at like 429.10. You see it hit that maybe. Some volume coming in too. Yeah, a lot of volume coming in. Oh man. Damn. All right.
See what happens. A nice move down. Whoa.
Yeah. It's going right. It's going right to that. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh, beautiful.
Take the profit. That's
Yeah, that's a wonderful move. Holy.
a nice move.
That's a
Whoa.
crazy 5-minute candle right there.
Good stuff, Ivan.
Yeah, man, it has a lot more room. But I sold though. I mean, I told
Oh,
you
good.
when we break that channel either to the upside or downside, I expect some movement. So
Yeah.
I was sure, and I'm glad I stick to
Definitely.
the plan.
Sweet, dude. Good job. Yeah, I was looking at that. I just was wanting a retest, but certainly did not get one.
Yeah, although that hold on 5 minutes almost stopped me out.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Is I wanted to see a retest after we held like that. That faked, like,
Yeah.
probably faked a lot of people out.
Oh my god, still going down.
If you can break through.
%28% from him, that's decent.
Not bad at all.
Stuff.
Ivan, did you do 430 puts?
430 puts, yes.
You do 3?
Just 2 in this case.
Oh, 2, yeah, because I'm like sitting at right at 28% as well.
You must be in the money now.
EQ looks good. I'm gonna take EQ put.
Ivan, what do you have zones drawn?
This move is something.
Yeah, I had a zone on the low of the day of yesterday that was around 429.09 and 9. Now you have a like pre-market low on 428.83, and we are holding that at the moment.
Yep.
But QQQ,
Ryan, we just bounced off that zone I told you about.
Mhm.
436.
QQQ breakdown from 363, so I'm expecting that pre-market low won't be a problem for supply if QQQ continues to the downside. Och. Hvala. Yeah, but I sold it right when we touched that low of the day.
Good work.
And 427 is a big level, we might see it today. I have also one small level on 428.26. It's movement from like 10 to 20 days ago.
Does anybody else still have the, or is it just me? And it's okay if it's just me. I just I want to know if I'm alone on this. Having that issue where like when I take a loss, like yesterday, I take a big loss, like 10% of like my account sort of thing. But when I hit wins though, my wins are more often as far as like when you think of like day over day. So like I'm in the, as far as like days go, I'm in the green more often than I'm in the red. But the days that I'm in the red, it's like a nice chunk, right? Is that typically how it is? Like when you take a loss, it's less frequent, but the loss itself is pretty big? Or is it not
No.
supposed to be that way where your loss can be more frequent, but they're smaller versus when your wins are really big?
Yeah, you just gotta work with risk management. Just cut your losers
Yeah.
sooner. Ideally, you don't want to ever have a big loss. That's like the whole point of having like a risk reward. It does happen though. Like I'm not coming from a place of like perfection. I've gone on tilt and blown accounts, but if you want to last, you don't want to do that.
Yeah, I'm suggesting you to watch some risk management videos. That's really bad. Even if you're trading good, that's really bad for your account.
Yeah.
Because if you're winning more frequently, just imagine like what it would look like if those if those losses weren't big. You know, if those losses were like half the size of your average winner, then you're doing great. Especially if you're like winning more often. If you just cut down the size of those losses, you're profitable right there. But yeah, it's hard.
I guess that, yeah, it's more so like I need to figure out how discerning the difference between when a trade is truly going to be a loss or versus just sitting through it and waiting for it to turn around.
I mean, there's no point in sitting and waiting for a turnaround. That's not what trading is, I believe.
Mm-hmm.
You should have like a good idea of what would make you exit the trade, like whether that's like a price target or stop loss. You know, like when you're looking to get into a trade, you should say like it's, you know, close to the high of day. If it breaks high of day, I'm out, you know, but if it goes down to 430 or whatever, then that's where I'll take profits. And just have an idea what, like where you would exit on profit or where you'd take a loss before you even take it, and then just try to stick to that. Sometimes it will happen. You'll get stopped out and then it will move in your direction. That shit just happens. But then that's like, you take that as an opportunity to be like, all right, was I too tight with my risk management? Like, you know, was anything actually telling me to get out? But it's probably like the hardest part of trading.
What are your guys' own personal rules when it comes to like being in a trade that's upside down?
Yeah, I will send you a picture now. Just making it.
Okay, appreciate it.
I try to draw like a line in the sand, like a price point or like a level, and I say like, okay, if it breaks above this, or, you know, if it on the 2 minute, if it closes above or something, then I'm out, and just try to stick to that.
Yeah.
Or like if you're...
Mine's like. You go ahead.
No, go ahead, Sam. Go ahead.
Mine's like the resistance of the previous resistance or previous support.
Yeah, it's you can use like intraday levels really well for that. You can look at like, all right,
Day trading.
yeah, if you're like, for example, like Samrise was looking at 430 as a whole to support, and if you look at today's price action, how we were reacting to 430, like that makes sense, right? You're like, okay, we're holding that really well, so if we break below that, then I'm definitely not looking to be long. And
Yep.
you can just use kind of those intraday levels to kind of like justify what have we been doing, and if we break that pattern, then like my trade is no longer relevant.
Yep, and I cut my loss. And it was a small one too.
Is it because you sold right when it broke under 430?
Yep, right away. And then it didn't really sell right away, and it went up, and it went down and sell. And I sold it.
Hey,
29. I do a limit. I'm not doing market. I just do a limit. So it didn't really sell right away.
there's a dude in the chat, and he said he likes to trade in the money because they move a little slower and it helps with risk management. That's something you could try, Josh, is trade like a few days out or something, or like in the money. And they'll move a little slower, but also like when it starts going against you, you're not gonna like just get wrecked as hard.
Yep. That too.
So if you trade like
That's
2
so
or
true.
3 days out or something, or like next week's expiration, they won't be quite as volatile.
Right now, I'm in QQ puts. So if you go above like 364, I'm out. Honestly.
I send you a picture. So basically, if I hit my stop loss sometimes in a trade, I'll stop out, and I don't care if it's going up or down from there. You know, I just stop out the trade if I see that is not going in my direction.
That did get close, huh? At the top of that bounce off. Oh man, Yo, hey, you stuck to it. Good move. Good move.
I have work now, guys.
Yeah, I'm probably about to hop off as well.
Gotta get ready.
Alright, man.
You guys, good luck, and I'll
Alright,
see you
Sam,
guys
Ryan.
tomorrow.
Yeah, have a good one.
Yep.
Peace. Enjoy your day.
Yeah, good luck to all you guys. Careful out there. Watch in an hour and 20 minutes, Jerome Powell is speaking. So there will definitely be some volatility around that.
So get out of the positions before that. Okay.
I mean, let the dust settle, maybe. It swings. All right, peace, guys. Have a good one.
See you, man.
Bye.
Yeah, the out of the money, they do move quick. The reward is alluring, but the risk is certainly there. That's probably something that I could improve on, be a little bit more disciplined. I've been trading out of the money 0 DTs, which is pretty degenerate, but yeah, maybe that's something to consider as well. All right, Abe, I appreciate you. Have a good one, man.